Container gardening is simple and fun. Grow fresh food in small spaces. You can grow on balconies, patios, or even windowsills. It's a great way to enjoy homegrown food. You don't need a big garden. Container gardening is perfect for beginners. It allows you to control your plant's environment. You can choose the perfect soil and adjust watering easily. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to harvest your own food. Choosing the right container is important. It's not just about aesthetics. The right container can make a significant difference in the health and growth of your plants. You need to consider the plant's size and needs. A plant that grows large will need a bigger pot, while smaller plants can thrive in more compact containers. Pots, tubs, and hanging baskets all work well. Each type of container has its own benefits. For instance, terracotta pots are great for their breathability, while hanging baskets can save space. Make sure your container has drainage holes. Proper drainage is crucial to prevent root rot and other water-related issues. This prevents waterlogging and keeps your plants healthy. Well-drained soil ensures that your plant roots get the right balance of moisture and air. The size of your container matters. A pot that's too small can restrict root growth, while one that's too large can lead to overwatering. Larger containers retain moisture better than smaller ones. This can be particularly beneficial in hot climates where soil tends to dry out quickly. Choose a container that suits the mature size of your plant. Planning ahead ensures that you won't have to repot your plant too frequently, which can stress the plant. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and styles. From ceramic to plastic, and from modern to rustic, the options are endless. Find what works best for both your plant and your aesthetic preferences. Good soil is essential for healthy plants. Use a potting mix specifically designed for containers. This type of soil drains well and provides good aeration. Avoid using garden soil, as it can be too dense and compact in containers. When filling your container, leave some space at the top. This allows for easy watering and prevents soil from spilling over. You can enrich your potting mix with compost or fertilizer for added nutrients. Section 4. The lifeblood of your garden. Watering and feeding. This section is all about ensuring your plants get the right amount of water and nutrients they need to thrive. Watering is crucial for container gardens. Unlike ground gardens, container gardens have limited soil, which means they can dry out much faster. Plants in containers dry out faster. This is because the soil volume is smaller and exposed to more air, leading to quicker evaporation. Check the soil moisture regularly. Use your finger or a soil moisture meter to ensure the soil is adequately moist but not waterlogged. Water thoroughly when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. Make sure the water reaches the roots, which are the lifeline of your plants. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Root rot is a common issue in container gardening and can severely damage your plants. Container plants need regular feeding. Because the soil in containers is limited, nutrients can be quickly depleted. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. This helps replenish essential nutrients that your plants need for healthy growth. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package. Proper dosage is key to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. This provides essential nutrients for healthy growth and abundant harvests. With the right care, your container garden can be just as productive as a traditional garden. Section 5. Easy wins for beginner gardeners. Plants to get you started. Gardening can be a rewarding and therapeutic hobby, especially when you start with the right plants. Some plants thrive in containers, making them perfect for beginners. Start with easy-to-grow varieties that require minimal effort but yield great results. Lettuce, spinach, and other salad greens are great choices. These leafy greens grow quickly and can be harvested multiple times, providing a continuous supply of fresh produce. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley also do well in containers. They not only add flavor to your dishes but also bring a delightful aroma to your garden space. For a pop of color and a touch of sweetness, try growing cherry tomatoes or strawberries. These plants are visually appealing and can brighten up any garden. These plants are relatively low maintenance and produce delicious fruits. Cherry tomatoes are perfect for salads, while strawberries make a great snack or dessert ingredient. With a little care and attention, you'll be amazed at what you can grow in containers. Regular watering, occasional feeding, and ensuring they get enough sunlight will help your plants thrive. Happy gardening. Section 6. Happy gardening. Container gardening is a rewarding hobby. You can grow fresh food even in limited spaces. Start small and experiment with different plants. Enjoy the process of nurturing your own little garden. There's always more to learn. Many resources are available to help you. Books, websites, and local gardening clubs offer a wealth of information. So get your hands dirty and experience the joy of container gardening.